Once I am logged in as the administrator to the site, so there are so many other things which you can do within the platform. So like I have already shown you like the student user side, how the students will log in, how they will able to access the course, have access to the material, do tests and so on. So right now I am access as an admin. I have already started this. So I am the admin. So when I come to the admin here, the dashboard, you will see all the courses that I have created and all other criteria with regards to my profile as an admin. So you can see it also says complete your profile. You can click here, set your profile, set your bio, and then set your withdrawal method. How do you want to withdraw? So let's click on this because this is something that is very important, withdraw money. So now once I click on the withdrawal method here, now we can see options here. It says bank transfer, okay, and then this other one says PayPal. So I just enter some value here and then minimum withdrawals of 80 and so on, depending on the payment made on a particular course and so on. So you can also enter some of your bank's details, IBAN's number, bank, BIC or SWIFT, and then click to save with withdraw. So if you also choose to use a PayPal or like the other payment systems like using the financial apps, that is Wave apps, okay, and Yona and many other financial institutions that are having mobile money applications, we will able to integrate that here and then remove this PayPal category here. So you enter your PayPal detail here and then you click on save. So you can also come to social profiling and then see how it looks like. So right now I am still in this platform here now as an admin. So I'll just go back and switch to review so that you see they are different. So you can see right now here, this is Kumbaba login as a student, and right now Baba is in the contact form. So this is the contact form here. Now Kumba can also send a message that is like, let's say you say name, you type here Kumba, okay, so all the details are typed. So you type your message here. I let's say you say I want to know the fees. So now once we click on submit, this message will be sent to it will be sent. Okay, so let's see what will be the outcome. So we do not now you can see thanks for contacting us, we will be in touch with you. So right now the message have so this is the feedback message that we put on the back end port of it so as people will be able to see it. Okay, so now once we log into the site as an administrator, we go to the forms, we'll be able to see the message provided provided that we subscribe to the pro version. So we within the sites here we are also using some tools, integrated tools, the integrated plugins, in order to be able to make sure that this site is able to work effectively. So that is it. So now this is so I will switch back to the site administrator here. Now I am here as a site administrator. I was explaining about the social profile and so on. So you as the course creator or course administrator of the site, you can add all your details here, Facebook account, Twitter, LinkedIn, GitHub, and so many other things. So IT students, they know what GitHub means, right? So it's a place of home, or let me say it is a home for the IT family. You also have the billing, okay, how do you want the billing? So you can also set your billing here, how you want your financial transactions to work, okay. So that is it. Now that is what you are seeing here. Now you can write your details here, names and so on, in quality values and so on, and then press save. Okay, so this is going to be now if you are not an if you are not the administrator to this site, when you set this information there, the user will able to see them, review them, and then they will able to determine if they are going to accept your request or not, or maybe or email you to make some changes and so on, depending on how the administrator or how we build the site. What do we want the other people who are coming into this platform, or let's say lecturers and so on, So you have control over this platform as an administrator anywhere you are. Okay, so now that is it. So now let's say here we have, like I was explaining, this is the dashboard. So I'll come to announcement. Now I just want to send an announcement. Okay, so the announcement here is loaded. Network. So okay, now the announcement is open. So there was an announcement made. Now once I am in the announcement page here, you can see up here, notify all students of your course, and then I will just click on add announcement. So I'll just click on add announcement, and then which of the course did I want this announcement to go to. So the I know that the course that the other person is logged in is Microsoft Excel, and then financial trade and analysis. So I will just go to Microsoft Excel course, and okay, let me click on that because I want to make sure this announcement goes to that. So I will type here title, and let's say upcoming exam. Okay, upcoming exams, upcoming exams. So that is the upcoming exams. Now I will also type a small message here, the exam. So don't worry about the English because the sorry, the upcoming exams is scheduled to take place 2025. So that's it. So I'll just click on publish. So right now it is updating. Okay, so once it is done, the message have already been sent. Okay, so that is it. So message is gone. So now you can see the message here. It is already here. It was written May 25th, and then this was the time it was written, 10:39 a.m. Okay, sorry, it was written this time 2:30 a.m. Okay, that's the time I am making this recording. So now I will go back to the other view as a student. You can see here. So I'll just come to here and come to my dashboard. So once I am in my dashboard, I will able to select the courses. I will able to see all the courses that I am enrolling as a student. So I am here as a student. Now I am in the dashboard here. I can see I'm enrolled into courses. So this is course one, course two. So I will click on this. Okay, so once I click on the course, now let's say what are we checking for? We are checking for announcement. So you come to announcement, click on announcement, and then you will see, you see the announcement here. The upcoming exam is scheduled to take place on the 23rd January 2025. So now you can see here details here. I am here as a student, login as Kumbaba, and then if I come to the second part here, you can see here I am here login as Amina. Okay, so and I send this message just right now. So and I am using two different browsers. Sorry, I am using one browser with two login system, or two login criteria: login as an admin, login as a student. So right now we are all in the platform, and then we are able to communicate to one another. So I was in the platform and I saw the message because the message was sent purposely for that course. So that is how it works for that aspect. So now as an admin also, I can also able to, like I already explained this, able to come here and create new courses. So all these things you can we have explained this: the dashboards, the profile. If I come to question attempts, so I am not enrolled to any course, I don't need it. Now question and answer. On the question and answer also, we can also click on it and see. So let's say I am question and answer. So I want to click to see if a student have sent any questions with regards to, okay, let's see, it is load, right? So right now you see there is no question and answer. It says sort by. So let's click on sort by. Now you can see. So let's say instructor for student. So now let me just go back to this as a student, login as a student, and then go back to my dashboard, click on the dashboard view, and that's it. So now once I click on the dashboard view, so I want to go to question and answer and click on it, and now I want to send a question. Okay, so I want to send a question and I expect an answer. So question answer, no data available here. So right now, sorry, so read zero importance and so on. So there's nothing here. So normally this one also we need some other tools that will integrate in order to be able to give us access to be able to send in a message and so on. Okay, so now let me just go back to the platform as an admin. So okay, now I will just leave it where here as a student. Now I want to log out. So once I am logged out, now I want to show you how you can register as a new student if you are in this site. So I am right now logging out from this platform. Okay, so once I log out, so now once I log out, let's assume I only know the user, let's say the URL for this website. Now if I am here as now let's say I enter into this platform, this was the starting point. You can see you don't see any profile of a student or any profile of an admin here. So these were some of the things that we have seen initially. We have seen enroll courses and so on. You can also see counter, it is underscore running and so many other things. Okay, you also have a footer page which have some details like some uh, social media icons. You also have these details here. You have quick links that you can click on and so on. Okay, so now let's say now here they only give me the URL or I only know about the platform, like I just saw an advert or a QR code that you have scanned and then it brings you directly into this main page here. So now I want to register as a student. I want to start learning with this institution, that is the BMK Online Tech Academy learning platform. So I'll just click on here. That's what you can see down here. Okay, that is BMK Online Learning Platform, as you can see down here. So that's it. So now I want to register as a student. So you click on the student registration. So if you click on the student registration, so I want us to do this together. Then when we do this together, I will log in as an admin and we see the student. Let's say this student name is Ami. This student name is, no, I don't want to use Ami. Let's say this student name is Fatu. Okay, okay, Fatu matter. So what is the last name? Jal, and press Jalo. Okay, so before I complete this, I will go back to show you as an admin, to show you some of the students that we have or the number of students that we have that are logged into this platform. So I will come to users. Okay, so once I come to users, so I want to show you this so that you will understand this for yourself. Now we have a person who is named Amina, and you can see his role is administrator. We also have a student, that is Kumbaba, subscriber, that is as a student. We also have Musa 23 subscriber. We also have one teacher here, that is this person as a teacher, and then this person is tutor instructor. So you'll also use this person to log in, and you can see his Gmail is login and teacher at gmail.com. So I will go back to this the registration form for the student. You can see, so this student name is Fatumata Jallo. Okay, username, let's say FAMJ. Okay, and let's type just a dummy email. Okay, fam@gmail.com. So just make sure you type something that have an at. Okay, so but when you are working, when you are using this once it is hosted live, so meaning we need to use Gmails or accounts which you know they are valid domains, accounts which you know their domain system is working properly. Okay, so because if not, if we just want to make it for the sake of right now here is just for demonstration so as you understand, but once the platform is hosted, everything will have to be legalized and we use proper internet or IT terms. So this is in fact this one is even a normal Gmail, is correct, farms@gmail.com. And then what is going to be the password? Let's say we type something that we can remember. So the password will be 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then we type half force the farm FAM at 1. So we view the password. Now we are supposed to confirm the password. So I don't want to do that too much of typing. I will just click this. I will see the password 1234 at farms and then just copy. So understand that when a password is in this criteria, these characters, that is blood form or let's say dot forms character, you cannot copy. If you copy it, it will not work. Okay, so I'll just come here and paste. So the reason why I'm able to paste it, because before I copy it, I turn it to a character form. Okay, to show me the letter. So I'll just click on register. So let's see. So once this student is registered, the student will be automatically logged into the platform. Okay, so you see the student is automatically logged into the platform. Now you can see the name here, Fatima Jallo. Okay, enroll courses 0, active courses 0, completed courses 0. So you can click, Fatima Jallo can click here to complete her profile. Now let us go back and log in as user. So you see right now what we have here is only teacher, Musa, Kumba, and so on. So what we have to click on, we just need to, let's say, I just need to come come to the user, click the user, and allow it to load and see if we will have Fatima again. So now let's see if we have Fatima. Look at here. We have teacher Musa Kumba. You can see we have a student that is Farm J and the name is Fatumata Jallo. Do you see that? So we are able to see this student. So if we don't want this student here, we can, like I am the administrator, I can delete this student from this. So I'll just click on the delete and delete this student from the platform. So but I don't want that. So now I'll just go back to the student login. So now this student is here login as a student. Okay, so this is how students can log in, and when students log in, we will able, you as the administrator, as a teacher, you will able to see. So let's say I will log out now, and now I will log in as a teacher, not even as an administrator. So teacher, oh sorry, I should have not, it's fine. So I just wanted to make sure all these three views, all these three seen properly. So I have shown you as a student how you can register, how they access all the courses, the admin, what control can, or what access do they have in the platform. So the admin have access to everything. So now I will log in here as teacher. You can see teacher here. So I'll just click on keep me sign in and click sign in. So once I am signed in, now you can see that right now it is loading. Okay, so like I told you initially, I am using a local server. So I am signing and my detail here is what, teacher one. This is my name, teacher one. I am logged in as a teacher. So what can you see as a teacher? You can see enroll courses, active courses, completed courses, total students, total courses, and so on. So as a teacher also, you have the options to be able to add a new course. So I will add a new course and then you see what will happen. Now teacher can add a new course, but they cannot publish the course. So it's only the administrator who have the 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 authority or the protocol, how to call it, the the clearance level to be able to authorize to publish or approve a course that teacher created. So let's say I will create a new course here. Now I will just click on new course as a teacher. Now I am logging as a teacher to show you how I can add a new course. So once I log in here as a teacher, now I want to add a new course here. What name do I should I give this? Let me not just focus on tech. Let me say this one is going to be English 101. Okay, or let me just say calculus, create the course. So I will just here calculus. Okay, calculus 1 or 1. Okay, so like the student will say cal 101. Okay, so now this is cal 101, however you may call it, because I know it makes some people format. So I will now come and make some settings here. Right now I am logged in as a student, sorry, as a teacher. So I will come and make some setting and then question and answer I want it to be seen. This one I will not enable it. What level is this? Intermediate. This one is expert level. So let me just leave it expert. And then what can I do? Click here, public visibility. I want it to be public. Okay, so let it be public so that the course will be seen. So before I go further, I want us to come back to the admin panel here and then see our site first. Okay, right now we have total of 6 courses. So right now we have total of 6 courses. We have financial trade analysis, data analysis, digital marketing. Okay, graphic design with Adobe and Corel programming and Microsoft. We have 6 courses. So when this teacher who is adding this course add this course and the teacher send it, the admin approve the course, that course will also be added to the site main page automatically. So there is nothing like you have to go there and you update it. It will be added there automatically. Okay. So now let's try to see how that one works. So I can click on schedule to schedule when will this course start and so on. So I don't need that. So I just want it to be something that is open anytime you make payment, you start learning. Okay. So I will click on here and then upload an image that I want for this site. So let's say I need what's the name of the course? Calculus. So I'll just type here calculus to, yeah, get something related to maths. Okay. So let me network. So I'll just press the enter key. Let's see what we will have. Okay, it's loading. Yeah. So seems taking longer than I expected. Network seems to be bad. So okay, now we have some images. Okay, mass images and so on. So I prefer, what do you think we should take here? Okay, we have a bunch of things that we can add here and so on. So let's say we add, yeah, let me add this image here and then inside the image. So this is definitely an image that can show this is a calculus course. Taking longer. Network. So please bear with us and then watch this tutorial to the end. Share it with your within your social media platform. We will appreciate it. And then try to reach out to us if you also need our services as well. You can reach out to us through Facebook. Uh, you can reach out to us through our WhatsApp number, that is 30350886. You can also reach out to us through our personal portfolio, which is also will be included in the link that is used to access this material. So you can access all our details through that message that you will be receiving within your platforms. So now you can see this picture is added. This is called a feature image. This is the image that we will see in our browser main page. So this course is paid. And what is the category of this course? Calculus, we know it is somehow kind of related to ICT. So, but anyway, now I will add a category here and name it as mathematics. Okay. Okay. So if it was discrete mathematics, then I would have just say ICT. Okay. But this one somehow, so I know. Okay. Sorry. Now you see it says sorry. You are not allowed to add a category. So I cannot add the category. So let me just click on ICT and then click. What should I do next? So I am done with this part here. I just click on publish. Okay. So okay, now when I click on publish, I was also asked to input some values of payment. So let's say I forgot that I put 500 for this calculus course, and the sale price is going to be 450. Okay, so it's cheaper. Now once I am done with that, so next thing that I am going to do is to enter the curriculum, add some details on the curriculum and so on. So on the curriculum here, I can add some details here, add topics, click on add topics. As you are seeing here, if I click on add topics here, now what is going to be the first, first aspect of this course, let's say functions and so on. Now we say functions, and then from there, we just click on after functions, we add limits, crazy things. Okay, so I will add another topic there that is going to be like limits. Okay, right. Okay, so let me add limits. So a crazy topic which will be telling you the value doesn't exist. So now we have added two topics here, that is functions, and then this is limits. So I'll just press on next. So you can also come to the additional content where you can add some information how many hours this course is going to be. Definitely even 25 hours you can give it, no problem. 25 hours, and then you add some materials that the students are going to learn from this material included. You can also add required instruction, additional requirement to special instruction for the students to get. And then this other part here, we can also include a certification. Once the student complete this course, they will receive a certification. So this is going to be a tutorial of it on. So now we have some information on what the students will learn here. You can include that here. Targeted audience is targeted for who and who is this course meant for. Let's say ICT personnel, computer science students, IS students, and mathematics majors, and so on. Data analysis and so on. So I'll just click on publish. So all those informations are not necessary. So once I click on publish, now the information this course is published. Okay, so let's say we have right now the course is published, but the course is not visible to us as student. Okay, so what I will do here now, I will try to go back to my dashboard here. I'll just cancel this now. Okay, yeah, so I'll just cancel this here. So right now you can see as a course tutor I have added a course here, so I am able to publish. Okay, so now let's go back to the log to the to the dashboard of my this platform. So you can see this is what I will have as a course tutor. Okay, so now I am in the dashboard and so on, so courses, announcement, and so on. So I just want to log out so that I log back again. So I am here, teacher one, login, and so on. So so now let's say we are back here, log out. Yeah, okay. So let me log in as teacher one, and log in and see. So let's see, just trying to check in something. So right now you can see I am logged in as teacher one. So what course did I create? I have created a total of one course. Okay, that is calculus. Okay, so it's like we give permission to the for the teachers to be able to, like, I give permission for the teacher to be able to uh, publish a course. Okay, so can also change that from the setting. That's not bad. So now I will just come back to the side here and then try to log in as an admin again. So I am the site admin, so I will just log in as an admin and then go to the courses, then check in the courses now. So let's say now we have all the courses here. Let's say we have a course here, that is this course calculus. Okay, who created it? You can see teacher one created this course. I'll click on this view here, pending, and so on. So I can put here pending. Once I click on pending as an administrator, if we go back to the teacher, you see pending. Okay, so now I'll go back to the teacher view here. I will refresh. Okay, let's see what the teacher will receive or what the teacher will have here in the view here. So you can see right now here, you can see the teacher dashboard. Sorry, the let's log out again and log in as a teacher. I am still logging as Amina. So I will log in as let's log out.